Volcanoes have shaped our planet for millions of years. They are formed by tectonic processes beneath the Earth's surface. Volcanoes can be explosive or effusive in their eruptions. The Ring of Fire is home to 75% of the world's volcanoes. The strength of a volcano is measured using the Volcanic Explosivity Index. Famous volcanoes like Mount St. Helens have left significant impact. Volcanic eruptions can drastically alter landscapes. Volcanoes also contribute to the fertility of soil. Human history is marked by many notable volcanic events. Volcanoes can influence climate and weather patterns. Understanding volcanoes helps predict future eruptions. Volcanic ash can travel thousands of miles. Some volcanoes are dormant and may erupt again. Lava tubes are formed from cooled lava flows. Certain volcanoes are famous for their unique shapes. The study of volcanoes is called volcanology. Volcanic islands are formed by repeated eruptions. Volcano tourism attracts thousands of visitors each year. The future of volcanic studies is crucial for safety and understanding. Continued research is essential to mitigate volcanic hazards.